Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you guys. Thank you for being out there with me. Okay, so we're gonna make some chicken garlic pasta with a Baby Ray's chicken sauce. Something different I'm trying today, and I'd like for you to check it out. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks, let's do it. Okay, so I did a shopping haul where I bought a case of chicken legs. So this is two chicken thighs cut off the bone. Okay, each thigh was 51 cents. Okay, so we're into this for $1.02 for the chicken. And then I cooked some whole grain spaghetti. Okay, and it's right here already cooked. Okay, we have some scallions already cut up. This is the Inspiration Ray's chicken sauce. I'm gonna put that on the chicken and pasta. And I have some garlic paste, some grated cheese. We're gonna also have some corn on the cob to go with that, and we'll see what else. Okay, all right, let's do it. 1 second. Okay, that's better. All right. Let's put some seasonings on the chicken. I'm going to add some celery salt today. Black pepper. Granulated onion. And I have the garlic here. This is garlic paste. Gonna do about 3/4 of a tablespoon of garlic paste. Okay, I'm going to let this cook for about 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so now that our chicken is done, it's temped at 165. Now we're going to add our pasta. And I'm going to add the scallions. A little olive oil on the pasta. Black pepper. onion. I'm going to do granulated garlic this time. And the surprise, 1 small diced tomato and mangoes. This is about, I'd say, a cup of mangoes, give or take. Look at that, guys. Gonna add some no salt. There's no salt in it. More black pepper. Olive oil. Okay, now we're going to add our Baby Ray chicken sauce. Okay, let me taste it, see what I'm missing. Oh, it looks good, guys. Oh. Oh, that sauce is awesome. Wow. Now I want to add some grated cheese. And I have a big lump here, so let me see if I can get some out. There we go. Oh my goodness. That's all she wrote, guys. I'm going to plate her up for you. Okay, guys. Look at that. How about that, huh? Look pretty good? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you a good word of the day. The word of the day is how you're going to break this cost down for this meal. Okay, because I'm trying to see if you can do this so that you can completely cut your costs way down. So remember, the chicken came from the shopping haul where I bought 40 pounds of chicken, and each piece was around 51 cents. So those 2 pieces of chicken I cut up off the bone, that was $1.04. The mangoes, we're going to call that $3, because if you was to go to the store to buy some mangoes, you'd have to buy a bag, which is about $3. The spaghetti is, I'm going to call it $1, although I only used half of the box, because you know you got to save another half for a rainy day. Small tomato, 50 cents. I used a half of a scallion. The scallion was that little bundle was $1. I used half of that. That's 50 cents. And the corn on the cob, I got 2 at Walmart for, it was 40 cents each, so that was 80 cents. So the total for a family of 4, which this will definitely feed a family of 4, and oh, so delicious, I'm sure. I gotta taste it, let you know. Is for $8.84 is the total. $8.84. That comes down to, for a family of 4, that comes down to $2.21 a person. Hello, that's what I'm talking about. You can't go to McDonald's, you can't go to any restaurant and do that. And it's you doing it from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this word of the day, because this word of the day is about saving you some money. That's the subject, saving you some money. Okay, so let me taste. Okay. Pasta. Oh guys, that sauce with the cheese is on point. So I have chicken, mango, and tomato here. The mango gives a pleasant surprise to your mouth. You'll like it. Oh wow. And so you have your fruit here. You have your protein, your pasta, your vegetable. Can't go wrong, right? You have it all right here. And the corn on the cob. So sweet. Guys, this one's a home run. You've got to try this one. And my inspiration, the Baby Ray chicken sauce, $1.99. Check it out. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thumbs up please. Thank you. Talk to you soon.